What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel with King Wolf Racing. We're going to be doing another thing to make some progress today on this 5.0 build that we're doing on the Mustang. I'm getting ready to take my heads down over to the machine shop so I can get them decked and get them cleaned up, like hot tanked. Other than that, once I get back from the machine shop, I'm going to come back and detail the engine bay. Since the engine's out, I have a lot of room to work and I can get everything super clean, and when I get the motor back in, that way everything looks really nice and like brand new basically. I mean, I figure I might as well, since I really don't have much else to do to the car right now until I can get the motor back in. Alright, so let's get on with the video and let's go have some fun today. So for the past couple weeks, I've had the heads just sitting down here on the bottom of this, so you go ahead and grab these and take them over. Hopefully I don't need to remove all of this to get them machined. I might need to. Yeah, I'm probably going to need to remove all this stuff from the heads before I take it over to the machine shop. So let's go ahead and get that done now. Alright, so before I take the heads to get decked, I need to remove the retainers and the rockers. I think that's what they're called. They're like hydraulic. I need to remove all of these along with the cam caps. I might be able to get away with keeping the cam caps in, which is just these things right here, but I'm not sure. I don't want them to take them off and lose them or misplace them, so I think it'd be better if I just took them off now. That way I don't risk anything. And a big thing is also to make sure that you always keep them in the same orientation and the same position that they came off of, because when they machine these, they machine them to fit exactly where they go, so they're like custom fit each basically. So if you switch them, they might not have the same tolerances and clearances as they would in the original spot. So that's an important thing, to make sure that you just keep these in the same spot that they came off of. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start removing the cam caps and the retainers and lifters. I can start removing these now. So basically the way they come out, they're right on top of the valve spring. So basically it's just attached to this this thing, and it just slides out of the hole right there. It just pops right out. We got the cam caps off and the retainers and lifters off as well. Got it all organized. Make sure you keep everything in order in the proper orientation as well. And I believe we're ready to take. And you can see how dirty it is in there. Like the oil in there is like black. It's dirty. And I just want to make sure that there's no like metal scraps or anything like that in there. I don't want them damaging the cams. So that's the whole point of me getting them cleaned. But I also need to get them resurfaced just in case they warped or anything. Well, hopefully they didn't warp. I don't know if that's... But this is the bottom. I just want to get them all cleaned up and make sure I have a good sealing surface so I don't have to worry about taking the heads off again for new gaskets or anything like that. And there is a little bit of marring, like right there. Just like small stuff like right there too. And hopefully they're not too far gone. Hopefully they can take that down and get these cleaned up. Oh, and also my oil pump gears came in, so from Boundary. So that's for another video though. New crank sprocket, also from Boundary. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and throw these in the truck, get them loaded up, and we'll head off to the machine shop. So I gotta take my dog to the vet right now as well, so do the heads in the passenger seat. Throw my dog in the back with the little dog cover. Got my tools over there. Alright, let me go grab the Maximus. Hello, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, got everybody loaded up and got the heads loaded in. Let's get out of here. So I just dropped them off here at the machine shop. There we go, right there. Right there, right there. It's crazy, they got a lot going on here. Got some motors out here. But yeah, should be done in a few days, so we'll be back to come pick those up later on. And now it's time to take Max to the vet so we can come back home and start working on the engine bay. Alright. Just dropped the doggo off at the vet. Need to go put some gas in. We're heading back to the house. So we can go get this engine bay cleaned up. I might make a pit stop at my boy's house, but we'll see about that. Alright, so I'm gonna take some of this super clean, it's like degreaser. I'm gonna spray down the engine bay. And then I'm going to end up rinsing it out and wiping it all down. Like, it really isn't that bad. The engine bay is relatively clean, but I just want it to be very clean. Now I'll use this like foam brush to go ahead and wipe it all down. Just get it all cleaned up. Alright guys, so I did a few things to the Mustang today. Nothing too crazy, not too much, but just making a little bit of progress, and I promised myself that I would be keeping you guys up to date on everything that I'm doing to the Mustang, and I mean everything that I'm doing to the Mustang. So I want to keep that content coming for you guys. Soon I'll have my heads back and I'll be able to put the heads on the motor and put the studs in and start getting a lot more progress done on this motor once I get the heads back and the gaskets come in. So that's literally all I'm waiting for. I do have something else coming up for you guys in the next video, but you guys will have to wait to see that one. It is something that not a lot of people do, as far as, I mean, it happens, but not a lot of people do it to Coyote motors. But I think it's just a cool touch. While the motor's out, I'll be able to do something really cool to it. But that's for the next video. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Today's video was more of a vlog style video. If you guys like it, just leave a comment below and let me know. If you don't like it, then also let me know. I would like to get you guys' feedback on these videos so that way I can bring you guys content that you guys want to watch. More than anything, really. Alright, well, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe and turn my bell notifications on so you guys can get updates on the next videos that I got coming for the Mustang. Y'all have a good one.